An easy home decor DIY. I love these pieces from Target. They are wood. You can stain these. You can do these so many different ways. But I love the shape of this one right here because it is wood. It's not like a vase that you would put water or anything like that, but it's a decorative one. So I'm just going to take and I'm going to paint the inside of this black. You don't have to paint the whole inside because it's a decorative vibe though. I'm not really going to be filling it with stuff, so you will see the inside, but I'm going to paint the inside and then I'm going to paint just the top edge of it. I'm not taping it off anything. I'm just doing it freehand. The way the edge is awful thick, so you don't have to really worry if you take your time about going over the edge or anything like that. And then I'm just going to take this white paint and I'm going to go along the outside. Again, I'm not taping it or anything like that because if I make a mistake, I could just go back over with the black, but this is how it looks. And it looks like a cute black and white piece already. It is nice, it's cute, but I wanted to just add another little detail to give it like a modern look. So I'm just taking like one of those little plastic hair rollers, but you can use different things. You can do this in different ways. You can sponge this. You can do a nice little print for a different style, but I wanted to have this like a clean modern style. So I'm just taking and dipping that hair roller in the paint and then just plopping it on. And when you do it this way, each circle will kind of have like a different look because you can see some of them will have the full circle, some of them won't. And I'm just going around, I'm overlapping, and then I wanted to get real fancy. So I started splattering the paint too. You can go over and finish this with a layer of Mod Podge, matte, or gloss, depending on what kind of finish you want. But I love the way it turned out. Make sure to follow for more DIYs.